Introduction. Istiklal Street and Taksim Square are among the most iconic landmarks in Istanbul, Turkey. Serving as the vibrant cultural and social hub of the city, they attract millions of visitors each year with their rich history, lively atmosphere, and diverse attractions. From historic architecture and bustling shops to lively cafes and entertainment venues, Istiklal Street and Taksim Square offer a unique blend of old and new, making them must-visit destinations for both tourists and locals. Istiklal Street, a walk through history and modernity. Istiklal Street, Istiklal Caddesi, is a bustling pedestrian avenue stretching approximately 1.4 kilometers from Taksim Square to the historic Galata Tower. Lined with elegant 19th-century buildings, the street is a mix of art galleries, bookstores, fashion boutiques, and traditional Turkish restaurants. One of its most famous landmarks is the nostalgic red tram that runs along the street, adding a charming touch to the vibrant scene. The street also reflects Istanbul's multicultural past, with historic churches like the St. Anthony of Padua Cathedral, synagogues, and consulates standing alongside modern shops and cafes. By night, Istiklal transforms into a lively entertainment district, with live music venues, bars, and theaters drawing crowds until the early hours. Taksim Square, the pulse of Istanbul. At the northern end of Istiklal Street lies Taksim Square, a major transportation hub and symbolic center of Istanbul. The square is home to the Republic Monument, Cumhuriyet Anıtı, commemorating Turkey's founding in 1923. Surrounding the square are hotels, restaurants, and the Taksim Gezi Park, a green oasis in the middle of the city. Taksim Square is not only a commercial and social hotspot but also a focal point for political and cultural events. It has been the site of numerous celebrations, protests, and public gatherings, reflecting the dynamic spirit of Istanbul. Outro. Istiklal Street and Taksim Square embody the essence of Istanbul, where history, culture, and modernity converge in a vibrant and ever-evolving urban landscape. Whether you're strolling down Istiklal's bustling avenue, riding its historic tram, or soaking in the energy of Taksim Square, these iconic locations offer an unforgettable experience of Turkey's most vibrant city. A visit to Istanbul would not be complete without exploring the heart and soul of its urban life, Istiklal and Taksim. Please write a comment and advice for us because you are our valuable visitor. When you subscribe, you're not just clicking a button, you're joining a global family of explorers, dreamers, and adventurers. Together, we share stories, inspire journeys, and uncover the magic that this world holds. Every destination is a new chapter, and every subscriber adds a new voice to our community. Let's walk this path hand in hand, turning dreams into plans and strangers into friends. So, take that leap, hit subscribe, and let's create unforgettable memories, one adventure at a time.